My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called FTYM. This particular ransomware is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. FTYM ransomware is called like that because it adds a special FTYM extension to the files. The ransomware damages the files and doesn't let people use the data anymore. Of course, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But people might suddenly turn their computer on or restart the computer and suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware FTYM has encrypted and damaged all the files that people store on their systems, so it is impossible to use the data. So this is what happens with the files. When you open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the FTYM extension. The ransomware instructs its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, does not guarantee that the files would be restored. We strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this doesn't guarantee that the files would be recovered. First thing we recommend you to do is to go to the task manager of your computer, look for any suspicious processes with long random names, right-click on them, and end their task to stop the further file encryption. This could help you save at least some of the files from being damaged by this particular ransomware. Speaking about removing this ransomware, we strongly advise that you use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install the software and start researching your device with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, but it has got certain free features such as Quick Scan option. Quick Scan option is the only feature available with the trial version. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins researching and investigating your computer. It will give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning. Combo Cleaner has got the excellent anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, this feature is the part of the premium license only. As I said, at the end of the scan, you will see the information about all the threats that were revealed during the scan. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to premium to delete all these threats altogether automatically, and this way your files will always be protected against ransomware attacks in the future.